Hello, my name is Sue Smith and I'm a brand ambassador for docrafts, and I'd like to show you how to make some cool gift wrap. I have two ideas, and the first one is this die cut craft tape idea where you can create a design on the front of any size gift really, and I'll show you how to do this. If you grab some white paper the size of the top of your gift, and we're going to decorate this with lines of craft tape. So you just pop your craft tape on the white paper, vary the designs and colours to make it more interesting. Have fun doing this all the way down your piece of paper to create the background pattern, like so. I have one that I've done earlier onto there, and then we need to die cut the wrapping paper. I've just got, plain is best, I've just got some silver here, and I'm going to use the alpha die set, the A5 die set. So the letters are a lovely size, and we just place those on the gift wrap as you read them with the cutting side down. You can use a ruler just to get them nice and straight, and then hold them in place with a piece of craft tape across like so. Obviously this is too big to go through our cutting machine, but they cut quite nicely. If you turn it over, you can then use, I think a rolling pin's quite good, and really rub hard over there, and it should die cut. I have one that I've made already here. Start off with the lettering and get that in a nice position. If you can personalise this, this would be a fabulous idea for putting someone's name on there. Okay, and I'm going to add a circle, another circle. I'll show you how to cut this as well, with the circle nesting dies. So I'm going to add one more circle in there. Hold that in place as with the lettering with craft tape. Turn it over, and then with the rolling pin again, just put added pressure on there, and it should cut nicely, so you can add and build up your design as you go. So with the gift then, you place the piece of paper with your craft tape pattern on the top, and then you can start to wrap your gift with your wrapping paper. It's nice to use double-sided tape as well, so that the sellotape doesn't show. There, so once you've wrapped it, that will just show through like that. If it is intricate, it might be a good idea just to add a bit of glue just to hold these little flappy bits down. This is a really good tool to use. It's the tape with the dots. So you can just run over all the intricate pieces just a few times, and then that just makes it stick down a bit better so it doesn't lift up. There you go. That's one idea. The second idea is really cool and funky. It's a confetti shaker present. How fun is this? You're slightly limited size-wise with this idea though, because we use acetate, the clear 12 by 12 acetate. So we have to make sure our present sort of fits in with this size. So the easiest thing to do is to cut a piece of gift wrap the 12 by 12 size, and then got our gift. Quite usual that people put their gift square onto their wrapping paper, and then there's no way that's going to fit. But a little trick, if you put it on an angle slightly, it's more likely to fit. So you can double check this. Okay, so I've actually on this piece drawn the present size just with a ruler and pencil, just mark out the present. And the depth of the sides just needs to be 3 millimeters taller, just so you've got that little bit of room for the confetti to move around nicely. So use this as a guide to cut, or to score rather, the acetate. Now this is slightly tricky. So what you need to do is to place your ruler along your pencil lines and just really gently score with your craft knife, like hardly putting any pressure on there at all, just dragging it across. You don't really want to cut into it hardly, because when it bends it's going to crack and break. Okay, now you need to show it who's boss. So you need to just bend it. You can just about see where you've scored, and just bend it. Be tough with it, because it is a tough material. All the lines, bend away. That's it. And I have one that I've done earlier, so it shouldn't break. So if you bent all those lines, and then what you need to do is just to cut the corner off, so the corner piece there, so it's all wrap around your present, and then you can have fun making the confetti. We've got some more shiny bits here, and I've got a medium circle palm punch, so you can have fun. Punch away. Let's have some silver and some gold. More colours, the merrier. And then also, this is a good product to use as well, the coloured paper pack, because you've got a nice variety of colours to choose from and create your whatever colour scheme you wish, really. So I've also got the small circle die as well. Give a bit of variety to the circles. I'm using pastel colours here. And then I like a few stars. Stars are lovely as well. Now, because these are even smaller, I quite like to use a bright colour for the little mini stars, so they're going to show up nicely. Add some green ones as well. So wrap your present up first in your gift wrap. And then when you have the present, gather all your confetti pieces. You need to lay them, if I show you on this example, you need to lay them all the right way up on top of your present. And then you need to just slip this over the top. That's it. And I've actually just secured it with some patterned craft tape as well, just to hold it in place. And there, 2 cool ideas that you can try out. Have fun. Thanks for watching. Join us again soon.